Hello, my name is Leah Swain. I am a QuickBooks Solution Provider for Certum Solutions, and today we're going to meet to discuss that statement I just made. So, what is Certum Solutions and how are they the top QuickBooks Solution Provider? And more simply, what is a QuickBooks Solution Provider, right? That's a question that we get asked quite a lot. We get a lot of requests from customers coming over from Intuit for additional assistance, whether they have software already or they're looking to move to QuickBooks. Typically, they'll get partnered up with a QuickBooks Solution Provider or a QSP, as we call ourselves. So there are many reputable QuickBooks Solution Providers in the US. They all offer excellent services and support. Currently, there's about 350, and Certum Solutions is in the top 2% of all those QSPs in the US. A QuickBooks Solution Provider is a business or person who assists current or expectant QuickBooks users with information on moving over to QuickBooks, the functionality, the overview of the software itself, what's native to the software and what's not. So if you currently have QuickBooks and there's some functionality that is missing or that you need or require for your business, we can also assist you with looking into third-party applications to add on to the QuickBooks software so that you can have that functionality that you need and make the software work better for your specific business or industry. So how do you go about finding the right QuickBooks Solution Provider? Well, excuse me, that's a great question. So the best provider for you is going to depend on what your specific needs are. It's recommended that you read the customer reviews, look at factors such as expertise, customer service, budget, location, and industry specialization. Ultimately, the most important thing is to choose a provider that aligns with your business goals and can provide you the specific levels of service and support that you require. Researching a solution provider company itself will be most beneficial. You'll want to make note of how long the solution provider has been in business, if they offer sales and migration services only, or if they offer ongoing support and bookkeeping. Some solution providers don't even offer migration services, so that's something to really look into. Additionally, a provider who offers ongoing bookkeeping or business consulting, BPO services, they normally have teams of people who use the software daily, and they are more likely to be aware of any new released functionality or technical issues, how to avoid and circumvent those problems as they arise. Most often, the sales department for these companies are more knowledgeable and have more support from their service team in aligning solid solutions, as well as making more streamlined and in-depth sales process for you. So that's something to definitely take into account. Now, if you're coming in and you're just needing a quick purchase and you already know what you want, you don't necessarily need an in-depth solution. That's going to sway your decision on what QuickBooks Solution Provider you need to work with. Obviously, you can't have too much support, in my opinion, but we'll get into that as well. Another area of focus when researching QuickBooks is to research any previous awards or accolades that provider has achieved based on their partnership with Intuit. So all QuickBooks Solution Providers are certified through Intuit, and they should all have a product channel manager who assists them with the sales opportunities and any questions as they move forward. So they're going to receive sales awards as well as different accolades that determine that Intuit awards to them based on their performance for the previous year. So knowing that the provider has a close relationship with Intuit QuickBooks ensures that they are up to speed on the software advancements, any available pricing discounts, and proves their expertise in the field. But be aware that some awards, especially if they don't offer ongoing services or support, might only be based off of sales goal and not a true indicator of the provider's customer services. So you want to look for specialized awards such as the Trailblazer Award or Partner of the Year. Additionally, you want to confirm that the provider offers their services in-house with fully employed and certified agents and not through a third-party agency or contractor. This ensures that the provider themselves takes full ownership of the work that is being provided by their own employees, and it also helps maintain a one point of contact for your business should any need or support arise in the future. So Next question is, what makes Certum Solutions a top QuickBooks solution provider? Well, I'm biased because I work for Certum Solutions, but there's a reason I do. Certum Solutions is an amazing QuickBooks solution provider. I would not work anywhere else. The care that they provide their employees and customers is top notch. We are an elite level QuickBooks solution provider. We do partner very closely with Intuit through our partner development manager, like we spoke about. We meet often with the channel managers and corporate teams at Intuit to offer customer feedback and plan for product improvements. And we have many employees that attend roundtables for product development, work with the trainer writer networks, and actually our owner, Catherine Bunchoten, was specifically selected to be on the Intuit Council this year, which is a very big recognition. I know it's not something that you see with other QuickBooks solution providers. It's, you know, they are welcome to come to product roundtables, but being invited to be on the council itself or be part of the trainer writer network is something that is a very high recognition and not something that you see often. Let's see. So like I said, we are in the top 2% of the QuickBooks Solution Provider program. And additionally, we won Trailblazer of the Year last year for our recognition in recognition of our customer dedication and our overall account management processes. We think outside the box. We do what our customer needs, whether it's going against the grain of Intuit and kind of being your advocate, thinking up new solutions or workarounds for problems that are industry specific, and finding the right solution. Now, we did get a lot of sales awards as well, which is wonderful. But again, that's second to in our eyes to the recognition for the customer care we provide. We have been in business since 2006. We joined the QuickBooks Solution Provider Network in 2012. We handle all sales, services, bookkeeping, and consultations in-house with a full staff. Our staff are amazing. I mean, I couldn't say, I can't stress enough how much our staff actually do care about customers, about solving their needs, about helping them with their bookkeeping, their consulting, and they're all certified also. We do not work or transfer any customers to third-party agencies or work with secondaries. So everybody that you will be working with through Certum is employed by Certum. Our motto is scale gracefully. We not only care about our customers and their goals and their business needs, as well as their growth plans, but we're truly dedicated to those, obviously. But we also care about our community, we care about our country, and really the world as a whole. We give back to our communities and country by offering some pro bono services to local charities and incubators. Some of our employees volunteer as first responders in the local community. We also we really work hard overall to be good stewards in our community and life in general. We care about the world with our attitude and provide kindness and assistance wherever we can. Additionally, we live and work sustainably to limit our footprint. We strive to set an example to businesses, both small and large, on how to be good, caring, compassionate company. At the end of the day, making the world a better place and caring for our customers and for everyone around us is what makes us a trusted, successful, knowledgeable, and top-level QuickBooks solution provider. So as you begin your research into hiring a QSP, we ask that you begin with Certum Solutions, and we look forward to the opportunity of working with you in the future. Scale gracefully. Thank you so much.